Hello, come in, breaker. We're going to do a little video here. Repair review, Donkey Stomper 400HD-HG-4Pill. Balance resistor blowing this. I know you said you had a little antenna glitch. It's probably what caused it. Put you a little bit heavier balance resistor in there. Luckily, your pills and everything's good, so you're good to go. Straight through SWR. Worldwide 0. This is radio drive. Turn the box on. Worldwide, input SWR, I'm on 0. 1,000 watts. Average power. Worldwide 100. Rail drive. PV. Worldwide 400 peak. Look at LP. There's your 475. 96. Worldwide. Pretty close. 1, 2, no reflex. Worldwide. Average power. Worldwide. And go with scope mode. So the trapezoid on the right, this shows you that it's tuned right. My new toy. There's our spectrum. Same thing, that's the radio. Alright, we're going to driver. Our little baby driver, I'll show you what we're putting in. Let's see. We're probably driving pretty good. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2. I'll turn that back a little bit. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 2, 2, there we go. 1, 2, 1, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, about 244 into it. Alright, we're going to turn the driver back on. Turn the box back on. Let's look at the bird first. Old bird. Can't forget the old trusty bird now. 1,000 watt average. Worldwide. 400 average. PP. Worldwide. 900 peak. I always told you this meter was tight. I'm sure here shows it. The LP. And this thing, I don't adjust it. It's factory set. I ain't saying it ain't adjustable. It ain't adjustable to me. It might be to somebody, a Japanese man or something. On the left, we're looking at our peak power. The right's reflex, SWR. The bottom's going to show you average. The read. Worldwide. It picks up that click first. Worldwide. So over 1,000 watts. Worldwide. Driven the shit out of it. Worldwide. 1,000 watts, 500 peak. That's real good for a 4-pill. Alright folks, thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video. Go for 8 and 10, 0 and 8 views. Catch you later. Bye bye.